Leonardo's World of Sparkling Wonders. In the golden hills of Vinci, a young boy named Leonardo sat among the wildflowers. While other children played tag, he watched the world with eyes full of questions. To Leonardo, the wind wasn't just a breeze, it was a shimmering dance of invisible ribbons. He pulled out a notebook, ready to capture the magic of the morning. Suddenly, a flash of iridescent blue darted from an olive tree. It was Sparrow, a tiny bird with feathers that shimmered like polished sapphires. Leonardo reached out a hand, and the bird landed gently on his finger. Sparrow chirped a melody that sounded like clicking gears and whistling wind, sparking a new idea in the boy's mind. Leonardo began to notice patterns everywhere. He spent hours by the river, watching how the water swirled around smooth stones. In his mind, the splashes looked like liquid crystals, spinning in a celestial ballet. He realized that nature was a master artist, and he wanted to learn every one of its secrets. When Leonardo became an apprentice, his teacher, Master Cosmo, was amazed. While the other students painted simple portraits, Leonardo added depth and light that seemed to glow from within. "You don't just see the face, Leonardo," Cosmo whispered. "You see the soul and the science beneath it." Leonardo's greatest dream was to fly. He and Sparrow spent their afternoons on the high ridges, studying how the wind lifted wings. Leonardo sketched massive machines with sails made of silk and wood. He imagined himself soaring through the clouds, leaving a trail of stardust behind him. Leonardo didn't just study birds, he studied the stars. He built a looking glass to peer at the moon, finding mountains and craters where others saw only a flat disk. Every discovery was a new spark in his mind, fueling a fire of curiosity that would never go out. One day, Leonardo decided to create a masterpiece using colors he invented himself. He mixed crushed jewels and morning dew into his paints. As he worked on a portrait of a smiling lady, Sparrow watched from his shoulder. The painting seemed to breathe, its eyes following whoever looked at it. Leonardo's notebooks became legendary. They were filled with backwards writing and drawings of armored cars, giant crossbows, and underwater suits. He saw the future in his dreams, a world where machines helped people explore the deepest oceans and the highest heavens. As the years passed, Master Cosmo watched his former student become the greatest mind of the age. "The world is a puzzle," Cosmo said, placing a hand on Leonardo's arm. Leonardo nodded, looking at a bridge he had designed. "And every piece of the puzzle is beautiful," Leonardo replied. Leonardo da Vinci never stopped wondering. He showed the world that art and science are two sides of the same sparkling coin. Even today, when we look at the stars or fly in a plane, we are seeing the world through the eyes of the boy from Vinci who followed the light.